Hey everybody, Barry Botwin, Waterstone Mortgage. So great to hear that some of this COVID stuff is starting to lift, getting back to normal a little bit. I know I haven't been able to stay in touch with absolutely everyone. You may have seen some posts on Facebook, maybe my letter of the heart mailings, but I just want to kind of get you up to speed what's going on with me in my life. Just recently, a couple weeks ago, my youngest daughter Ava graduated Boon High School. We're so proud of her. She's going to be pursuing a major in art history. Emily just finished her sophomore year at UCF as a finance major. You may have seen, or I've already maybe told you, that she's going to be going to Seoul, South Korea next year to study for a minor in international finance. We're super excited about that. The house project is pretty much done. I don't know if many of you are doing any house projects, but it's a little tricky to get supplies, materials. So waiting a long time for that, but really looking forward to the backyard to be done. And this is really cool. I sent my dog Achilles for reoccurring training. I really want to give a shout out to Victoria Smith at Take the Lead Dog Training. Achilles came back and man, he is a good foot soldier. He's a good dog now. If any of you need some amazing dog training, give me a call or reach out to Victoria at Take the Lead. She's incredible. So that's what's going on with me. Love to hear from you. I hope you liked the mailings, and liked the video. Really appreciate it. Hope you have a fantastic day. Take care.